Okay, what I thought we'd do is, just getting close to Christmas, and I don't have a lot of time, but I thought we'd do a little simple ornament made out of just a block of wood. Now, this block of wood is 3/4 inches thick by 5.5 inches long, is what it is. So, we're beginning as just a block of wood, and we're just going to do a little Santa ornament is all. And I'll show you how this is just a little weekend project, actually it's an afternoon project that any of you beginners can do. So first thing I'm going to do is, so this is a piece of basswood, 5.5 inches long by 3/4 inches thick. Simple as that. Now I'm going to take my piece here, and I'm going to come down about 1.25 inches, and I'm going to draw a little line right there, okay? That's 1.25 inches, and I drew a little line right there. Then I'm going to take, and I'm going to, from that point, I'm going to kind of come out just a little bit and just draw a line like this. This is where the hat's going to be, a part of the hat's going to be. Okay. Now, let me come down about, let's say, 1 inch and 3/4. 1 inch and 3/4. I'm kind of winging this, what it's kind of like. So that's 1 inch and 3/4 right there. Okay? And that's where our hat's going to be. So, we'll take our knife. There we go. And I'm just going to draw around here. Remember, that's 1 inch and 3/4. I'm just drawing that a little bit around there. Don't have to be perfect. And we're going to cut this away. Okay? Just like this. Come to the sides. Cut away at it. Just like this. Where we'll be separating the head from the, it's going to be a real simple ornament. It's not going to be anything complex or anything like that. There we go, just like that. Okay? Now, we're going to come here where we came down 1 inch or so, and we're going to cut into there and come up like this. See, like this? Just like that. Okay? And we're going to do it across here. Now, the reason I'm doing this, see, the reason I'm cutting like that, because that's where the little ball is going to be for the hat. And then I'm going to take, and I'm going to follow my knife around here, and I'm going to cut up into here just like this. See? See that? See, all I'm doing is I'm just making that where the little ball is going to be on the hat, in other words. That's all. See? Now remove that wood in there. Now, let's take it. And let's get it down a little bit, okay? Shall we? See that? Just taking that. There we go. Now we're starting to get it going. There we go. See that? See how it's looking? This is a real simple project. In fact, let's do that on the other side here. Let's just go from that point and draw us a little line up here like that. It don't have to be perfect. Don't have to be perfect at all. And we'll just cut into here. See? We'll just remove that wood in there so that we can have a place for the little ball. See, just like over here. See, we're going to take that off. just like that. This is a real good little afternoon project that we can do. Look at that. See how easy that is? And just cut here, cut here. See how that's looking? See how that's cross-eyed like that, in other words? And just cut in there like that. And then we'll just kind of thin that out right in there. So this is a real simple project. It's not hard. That we're doing here. I like these little afternoon projects, something that a beginner can do. And see how that is? See how that's done like that? We're gonna do a little bit more in here, like that, and a little bit more into here, like this. And you see that? See, that's gonna make the hat on him. Okay, now take your pencil, and we're going to do the little balls. So just come up just about a quarter, half an inch, well, not a half an inch, about a quarter of an inch or something like that. And we'll just draw a little line right there. See, just like I did? And we're going to cut across there. And then we're going to start kind of